everyone, in today's video I will be teaching you how you can do a magic knot, which is super useful if you want to do color changes and don't want to worry about weaving in loose ends. And you can also use this magic knot for just attaching new yarn, especially when you have run out of the previous skein, for example. And in this example I'm just using two different colors, so it's easier to differentiate and so you can understand better what I'm actually doing. But here now I will show you how to do it, and I have basically placed my yarn here like this. And then to do this magic knot, we basically just have to take this one piece of yarn and then we are going underneath this one, and then here we are just making a loop like this. So I'm kind of like tying it in a loose knot like this. So I'm just making sure that you can actually see it. So here I have tied a knot which goes around this loop or this piece of yarn, and then here with the other piece of yarn in the other color that I have here, I'm basically just going to do the same thing. So here I'm just going underneath the red one, then pulling it up and just making a loop like this. So this is what you want to do in the very beginning when working on creating the magic knot like this. So here we basically just have two loops that are going underneath each piece of yarn. And then to proceed further, first I'm just going to tighten it a little bit like this so it stays properly on this yarn, and then also the same thing here on the other side. So I'm just tying it so it's a little bit more sturdy like that. And that's basically it. Once this is done, we just have to pull these ends that are the secure ones, and as we are pulling them you can see that both of these knots are coming together, and that is basically how we are creating this magic knot. And then once we have it here, we can just tighten it as strongly as we wish to make sure that it actually stays here. And yeah, this is the magic knot. So in this way, by doing this, we are ensuring that this is not going to untie, and also once this is done we can actually cut off these loose ends that we have here, because this magic knot is truly magical and it's not going to untie in no way at all. So I'm just cutting both of these ends as closely to this knot as possible, and this is it. So we have tied it, we have changed our colors, and our knot is ready. And by doing this we are just ensuring that we don't have to weave in any loose ends. So I hope that this is useful, and I hope that you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, and I will see you later for sharing some more crochet tips.